Welcome to Talk Flow English. Today, we help you speak with calm and confidence. Our topic is ordering coffee and a snack without stress. Stay with us for real practice and mini pauses.
If you have ever felt nervous at a café, this lesson is for you. We will give you short lines, simple rhythm, and real choices. You can shadow our voices or pause and answer.
First, set a goal. In the next few minutes, you will order a drink, add a snack, ask about sizes, and pay politely. Ready?
Take one slow breath. Good. Remember, a short pause is power. Silence helps you sound natural.
You walk into a cafe. A barista smiles and says, "Hi there, what can I get for you?"
You answer with a friendly opener. Try this. Hi, how are you today? I would like a coffee, please.
Repeat after me. I would like a coffee, please.
Nice. Now choose a type. Americano, latte, cappuccino, cold brew. Choose one and say it after the word coffee.
Example, I would like a latte, please.
Great. Now size. Most shops use small, medium, and large. Some say tall, grande, and venti. Ask with this line. What sizes do you have?
Repeat. What sizes do you have?
The barista answers, we have small, medium, and large. You choose. Say, medium, please, or large, please.
Try one. Medium, please.
Clear and calm. Next, milk options. Whole milk, low fat, oat milk, almond milk. Ask with this line. Do you have oat milk?
Repeat. Do you have oat milk?
The barista says, yes, we do. You respond, great, with oat milk, please.
Say it. With oat milk, please.
Now, sweetness. If you want sugar or syrup, try this. Can I get 1 pump of vanilla? Or, no sugar, please.
Repeat one option you like. Can I get 1 pump of vanilla? Or, no sugar, please.
Excellent. Now add a snack. Ask, what pastries do you have today?
Repeat. What pastries do you have today?
The barista lists options. A blueberry muffin, a croissant, a banana bread slice. You can ask a follow-up. Which one is fresh today?
Repeat. Which one is fresh today?
You choose one and connect it to your drink. Say, I will take a croissant with my latte.
Try it now. I will take a croissant with my latte.
Time to confirm your order. The barista asks, anything else? You can say, that is all for now, thank you.
Repeat. That is all for now, thank you.
Now the name for the cup. The barista says, what is your name? You answer, my name is Alex. Or you can spell it slowly.
Practice this. My name is Alex. A-L-E-X.
Great job. Now payment. Ask for the total. How much is it?
Repeat. How much is it?
The barista says, it is $5.90. You answer, card please, or cash please. Then you can add, can I get a receipt?
Try it. Card, please. Can I get a receipt?
After payment, close with a warm line. Thank you. Have a good day.
Repeat. Thank you. Have a good day.
Now let us put it all together. Listen to this model and then try your own version.
Hi. How are you today? I would like a latte, please. What sizes do you have? Medium, please. Do you have oat milk? Great. With oat milk, please. Can I get 1 pump of vanilla? What pastries do you have today? Which one is fresh today? I will take a croissant with my latte. That is all for now, thank you. My name is Alex. A-L-E-X. How much is it? Card, please. Can I get a receipt? Thank you. Have a good day.
Now, pause the audio, say your own drink, your size, your milk, and your snack. Speak slowly. Use short pauses. Then play again.
Nice work. Let us add 2 useful rescue lines for moments of stress. The first one is this: I am still deciding. Please give me a moment. The second one is this: Sorry, could you say that again?
Repeat both rescue lines with a calm voice. I am still deciding. Please give me a moment. Sorry, could you say that again?
Now practice a quick speed round. I will ask short questions. You answer in 1 sentence. Ready?
What would you like to drink?
What size would you like?
What kind of milk would you like?
Do you want any sugar or syrup?
Would you like a pastry?
What is the name for the order?
How would you like to pay?
Great. Take a breath. You can do this in any café. Short lines, clear voice, simple choices.
To close this block, we will do a final mini dialogue. Listen first, then repeat with your details.
Hello. I would like an Americano, please. What sizes do you have? Large, please. No sugar and no milk. Do you have any muffins? I will take 1 blueberry muffin. That is all. My name is Maya. M-A-Y-A. How much is it? Cash, please. Thank you.
Now pause and speak your own version. When you finish, smile. You just completed a full cafe order in English.
Stay with us. In the next block, we will handle small talk, pickup, and a friendly goodbye that feels natural. Welcome to Block 2. You already ordered like a pro. Now we focus on small talk, pickup, seating, and a polite goodbye. These lines help in any cafe, office cafe, or hotel lobby.
Remember our rule: short lines, clear voice, calm pause. If you forget a word, breathe and use a rescue line. Sorry, could you say that again? Or, I am still deciding. Please give me a moment.
Your drink is ready. You hear your name. Alex, latte with oat milk.
You walk to the counter and say a friendly check line. Hi, is this for Alex? Thank you so much.
Repeat. Is this for Alex? Thank you so much.
If the barista asks, do you need a lid? You can say, yes, please, or, no thanks, I'm staying here.
Try both. Yes, please. No thanks. I'm staying here.
Now, seating. You look for a table. You see someone at a big table with space. Ask politely, is this seat taken? Or, may I sit here?
Repeat. Is this seat taken? May I sit here?
The person says, sure. You sit and start simple small talk. You can say, busy today, right? Or, nice weather today.
Repeat one of them. Busy today, right? Or, nice weather today.
If the person answers, yeah, lots of people this morning, you can continue with a soft follow-up. I come here a few times a week. How about you?
Repeat. I come here a few times a week. How about you?
Maybe the person says, I study here after work. You can respond, nice. What do you study? Keep your tone friendly and light.
Repeat. What do you study?
They say, I study design. You can connect with a short comment. That sounds interesting. Good luck with your project.
Repeat. That sounds interesting. Good luck with your project.
Now a useful line if you need to focus and close the chat politely. It was nice talking. I need to get back to my work. Have a good one.
Repeat. It was nice talking. I need to get back to my work. Have a good one.
Sometimes a stranger will ask you a question. Where are you from? Or what do you do? Answer in one short sentence. Then add a friendly return question.
Practice 2 models. I'm from Lima. How about you? I work in customer service. What about you?
Great. Now the classic problem. Your order is not correct. You wanted a hot latte, but you got an iced latte. Stay calm. Use this line. Sorry, I ordered a hot latte, not iced.
Repeat. Sorry, I ordered a hot latte, not iced.
Then add a soft close. No rush. Thank you. This line keeps the tone kind and professional.
Now, volume and tone. In a quiet cafe, speak a little softer and slow. In a loud cafe, use short, clear words and keep eye contact. Your goal is kindness and clarity.
Let us build a full pickup scene with small talk. Listen, and then say your own version.
Hi, is this for Maya? Thank you. Nice weather today. I come here a few times a week. How about you? That sounds interesting. It was nice talking. I need to get back to my work. Have a good one.
Pause now. Replace Maya with your name. Replace the small talk with a topic you like. Music, sports, the city. Then play again.
Before we close, here are 5 power lines to keep in your pocket. 1. When you are ready, please. 2. Could you recommend something light? 3. I will take it to go. 4. I'm staying, thank you. 5. Could I get a glass of water?
Repeat them once more. When you are ready, please. Could you recommend something light? I will take it to go. I'm staying, thank you. Could I get a glass of water?
Final practice. I will ask 5 quick questions. Answer in one short line.
What name should I put on the cup?
Do you want it for here or to go?
Do you want a lid?
Do you need a receipt?
Would you like anything else today?
Great work. You can mix these lines for any cafe in the world. The words are simple, but your pauses give strength and control. Trust your voice.
Thank you for practicing with TalkFlow English today. If this helped you, save the episode and repeat tomorrow. Small steps, big gains. See you next time.